Hi. What do you got me making today now?
I don't know, some kind of Gatorade.
Sports drink? But this is all natural, and we made some before. Hey, this is a different recipe. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 4 cups of water, and I got 2 tablespoons of honey in here, and I also seeped like a little bit of this ginger. Bring your water to a boil and let it sit for 20 minutes. So we got 4 cups of water, and we got 2 cups of coconut water, which coconut water is really good for you if you're dehydrated. We're gonna add a 1/3 cup of lemon juice, a cup of orange juice, and I squeeze these, so this is all fresh. And I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in here, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm gonna stir this around. Look at how easy, hey?
Mm-hmm.
And this is way better. Like, you know, when you buy the stuff from the store, it has all these different colors. You know, that's gotta be like, you know, fake color. So you can serve it over ice, have it every night, or put it in your water bottle. Hey, what we do is we dilute it, hey, Dean?
Yep.
You'll put half in your bottle and half water. And I suggest you would use like water, like if you have city water and there's fluoride and all that in it, I wouldn't use that. Just find some other water. Should I give it a taste?
Might as well.
It's so good. It like reminds me of like a certain flavor of Powerade. It's like so crazy. And it's all natural. So give it a try and keep smiling.